AI generated content is completely dominating the game right now. This YouTube channel, 10x Income, has gained over 250,000 subscribers and over 8 million views in just under 5 months. And this Instagram theme page, since the 5th of May, so 20 days, has generated an insane amount of views and over 30,000 followers. So what is it that they're both doing? They're both using AI to generate an image and then animating the image with a voiceover so it looks like it's talking. So I saw this and immediately jumped online and tried to learn how they were doing it so I could recreate it for my own Instagram theme page. In this video, I'm going to break down a step-by-step tutorial on how you can generate content like this for your Instagram theme page so you can go viral before it gets oversaturated. It seems that just because this type of content is completely new to all these social media platforms, even if it's super simple to create and such a simple idea, it seems to be performing really well, seeing as people have never seen this type of content before. So the time right now is to capitalize on these new ideas. So last month, I made a video on how to turn AI images into AI videos and use a voiceover to make a super engaging quote style Instagram reel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn an AI generated image into an animated host that you could use to say quotes, to say facts, or like the YouTube channel 10x Income to be the host of their entire faceless YouTube channel. I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 3 methods in which you can utilize this strategy. All I ask is that you subscribe to the channel and like the video. What are the steps for this? We're going to need an image generated, so you can use DALL-E, Midjourney, or use Canva's new AI tool, which I'll show you how in one of the methods. Then we're going to need to generate a voiceover, so using a brand new software called DupDub, and they're actually the first sponsors of my YouTube channel and this video. So I'll be covering the step-by-step with this brand new software, but they make really realistic AI voiceovers, so it'd be perfect for creating an engaging video. And then finally, we're going to take our image that we've generated and the voiceover that we generated and put it into a software that's going to animate our image to make it look like it's talking our voiceover. Simple as that. Are you ready? Let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. So I'm going to break down 3 methods on how you can utilize this strategy. The first method is going to be how this Instagram theme page, Billionaire Rules, has been able to, since the 5th of May, generate millions and millions of views using this simple strategy, creating AI generated videos. So that's going to be method 1. As always, there's a Google Doc in the description. You can follow along everything as I'm going live, and all the tools are free to use. Method 1, Instagram theme page style video. So let me show you an example of what we're going to create. This is what I've created.
Be the change that you wish to see in the world.
Simple, effective. So it's an AI generated image, and then use the text-to-speech software called DupDub, and then you put that into another software which makes its mouth move, then you put it into CapCut and we edit it all together. But I'll show you exactly how to do that right now. So method 1, Instagram theme page style video. So get ChatGPT to generate 5 influential people from history and the most famous quotes. So hop into ChatGPT, and that's exactly what I did here. And it gave me a list of 5 the most influential people, and Gandhi was a top one. So let's use Gandhi. And we're just going to copy and paste this quote here. And then the next thing, we need to generate an image on Midjourney. So this is a little Midjourney hack for you guys. When you come onto Midjourney and you sign up, basically, you don't need to go into the Discord to see all the things. This is if you pay for the $10 thing. So you can use the Discord for free when it's not super busy. But if you want to pay $10 to come into it, you can use the Explore feature that actually allows you to search other people's creations. So you don't actually have to create it and use your own token. Top hack, if you're going to pay the $10, don't waste your tokens, search up other people's creations. And as you can see, this is my selection, my photo for Gandhi. So I'll save that one. So now we've done the text, now we've got the image. Now we need to use the text-to-speech software called DupDub, which is actually today's sponsor of the video. And it's fantastic because they offer you a trial for 3 days with the premium features, and 11's Labs gives you a 10,000 word count limit, and then you have to run out and pay for it. Whereas this one just gives you 30 script generations per day. So you can get so much out of the free count for this one. So I highly recommend you check it out, and I'll show you how to use it. So you go into DupDub, you sign up for an account, start for free. So basically they've got text-to-speech, transcription, translation, subtitle alignment, and a video downloader. The video downloader, this allows you to download TikTok with no watermark. Just this is worth using, and you can sign up and use this for free. So for the text-to-speech we're going to be using, we're going to just be pasting the quote in from Gandhi, and then we're going to be choosing
Be the change that you wish to see in the world.
There's so many different available voices to be able to use.
Be the change that you wish to see in the world.
And they sound so realistic, like genuinely. Obviously, these AI voice generation things are gonna just get better with time, but this is truly great. And you get 3 days of premium, so you can literally use this, write out all your quotes straight away, and then sign up to the premium thing, and then literally blast out all the quotes that you need, get all the audio files for it, and then you can cancel your subscription at any time, or if you enjoy the service, stay on. But like, this is genuinely a great tool. So capitalize on the 3 days that you get free. free and get loads of your downloads for free using all of these awesome voices. I'm going to go through and pick a voice.
Be the change that you wish to see in the world.
Friendly. Right, so then once you're happy with your selection, close this and you literally click export. Export, MP3, export, and you're done. Bosh. And as you can see, look, you can generate 30 times per day. So you've got 30 uses per day of the three-day trial. So it's so much better than 11's Lab for the amount of words that you get. Now you've got the audio file, you've got the image. You need to go into a software called D-ID to make the image talk. So let me hop this open. You go into create a video, then you upload the picture, and you click here, upload your voice, Gandhi MP3, and then you just click that. And then literally up here, just click generate video, and that will generate the video of that. And as you can see, this is what I generated here.
Be the change that you wish to see in the world.
Which is pretty crazy, isn't it? Like, that's nuts. You can use that. Now we've got the image. Now it's time to do the editing aspect in CapCut. What we want to do is download this, and then we want to open up CapCut, and we're going to just do 3 simple edits for this.
You wish to see in the world.
So first of all, we're just going to go in and, like before, speed, voice change, slow it down by 1.
Be the change that you wish to see in the world.
Makes it a little bit more suspense. Then secondly, we're going to do text, auto captions, and then create. Then this will automatically create these captions, and then you want to go in and you want to change them to the bold font, which I'll put a link in the Google Doc to download this font. And then all you want to do is click an animation for your text. So the animation that we've used for this one is the laser cut. That's a pro one, but you can literally just use typewriter completely for free with a CapCut. And then what you want to do, once you've got the text, you want to add the spark feature, which is just in effects. If you scroll down in effects, it'll be, there we go, spark feature. You just click add that, drag that onto the timeline, make that the full length, and then basically you want a watermark here, so you could put that there, or you can put your Instagram theme page's logo. And now
be the change that you wish to see in the world.
All you need to do is add your animation. So for this video, you go on that, you click on combo animations, slide and wave, and basically what you want to do is make that the full duration.
Be the change that you wish to see in the world.
Perfect. Now we've done the Instagram theme page one. You want to export this video and you want to send this to your phone, and then I'm going to put you a list on the screen right now of viral sounds that you can use to pair with this video. Or you can go onto this page, Billionaires Rules, and you can check out the viral sounds that they're using, or Stoic Transcendence as well. This is a good hack for Instagram. Use the sounds within the app. Don't add sounds outside of the app, because then that will put you into categories of the reels for that sound. That's method 1. Method 2 is basically the same thing, but just doing a longer speech, and then you can cut these down into shorter ones, and it's a bit more of an up close and personal angle. I'm going to show you the fully edited version of this one because there's no real reason to show you the step by step, because it's exactly the same. Method 2 is going to be influencer wise monk. We've done everything exactly the same. I went on here, I searched old man on Midjourney, and I picked my favorite one, and then I went up to ChatGPT and I said, write 5 inspiring motivational tips a 90-year-old might say to someone in their teens. So this is going to be like one of, you know, those videos where you see like the elderly person, they're like, what would you say to younger self? And they're like, slow down, enjoy everything and stuff. So this one, you'll be able to import this entire thing. So on ChatGPT, copy this entire section, go into DupDub, and you want to then paste this into here. There you go. So embrace, power, and then we want to choose who we want to say this one.
Age is just a number. Embrace these timeless words of wisdom, and you'll find yourself on a remarkable journey of personal growth.
See, this is crazy. This is literally an AI, but it sounds like a person. And then again, we're going to click export, MP3, and export. But I've already exported this. That's literally that aspect done. Then we're going to go into D-ID, and we're going to do the same thing. Create a video, upload the picture, upload the audio file, and this is going to generate this video here.
Life is a series of challenges.
So then my idea for this is, because it's 5 points, I can do a series of videos for the theme page, and I could just do 1 point each time, because the best performing ones are a little bit shorter. You don't want to have it too long and too boring. Be like wisdom from a 90-year-old man. I'll show you the final version of this video.
Embrace the power of resilience. Life is a series of challenges. My dear, don't let setbacks discourage you. Instead, Use them as opportunities to grow and become
So that's an
stronger.
idea of what you can do with this, and you can use this to make super viral videos that are proven to go viral from that billionaire rules page. So that's method 1 and method 2. So method 1, you can use a quote, and method 2, you could use it for posts that would be like almost like real people would say these things, but you can use it for like motivational style, question style, like wisdom posts, I guess. So it's a bit more engaging for your audience. And then because you can get it to do 5 in one blast, you can chop them up and have 5 different clips. So that's 2 methods. The third method, which I'm really excited about, is that I'm going to show you how 10x Income has actually made their own AI host and how now that's like their online influencer. So what I'm going to show you is how to do this.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the depths of inspiration and motivation. Today, we have something truly remarkable.
People, if that doesn't excite you, I don't know what does. This is literally a way in which you can have a host for your faceless AI channels, and it still has that like engaging factor that someone's talking to you, rather than just like everything just being B-roll clips with a voiceover. Now you actually have a host for your AI faceless channels. Like, thank me later, because I'm literally dropping pure game here. Like, so make sure to subscribe and like the video if you're enjoying that. Right, let me jump into how we made this. Let's go to the Google Doc. What we did is that we went onto Midjourney and we searched woman host sat behind desk. And as you can see, there's absolutely loads of things in here. Should I say cartoon? Like, this crazy, like all of these could be your host for your faceless AI channel. Just choose whichever one you want, and then we're gonna take it over to Canva. So in Canva, so let me make a blank for it. So this is what we're gonna make, and I'll show you how we do it. So first of all, you wanna upload your file, stuff a video, and then you wanna upload your AI host PNG. As you can see, it's already there. And then we wanna drag and drop that on here, make it a nice size. And then on Canva, you wanna go edit photo, background remover, and remove the background. This way it just cuts out everything in the image but her and the desk. Now you want to go elements, and then you just want to search computer desk background. And then as you can see, any of these will work. Like, you could just drag and drop that one and then pull her further forward, and there we go. Perfect. So now you've got a host sat at a desk, and you can export this file as a PNG. So you can literally just click share and then download. You want to change this to a PNG, and then you want to hit download, and that will download this new image. So now you've got your host image. We need to go and generate a script. So this is where we're going to go. We got ChatGPT to write a YouTube script with an introduction for a motivational style video covering the 5 quotes from some of the most influential people in history, aka the 5 quotes that we did here. And a great trick for ChatGPT is to say be witty, because then it actually adds jokes and adds humors into the script, and it makes it sound like a human wrote it and actually put little jokes in there. Sometimes they might lack a little bit of human empathy, as you'll see from this script when it makes a joke about I had a dream, Martin Luther King. Obviously it's AI, it doesn't understand that it's like not to make joke about certain topics. So what we're going to do, simple as copy and paste this entire script and go over to DupDub again, and we're going to paste it in here. And now we're going to find ourselves a lady voice for our hostess for our faceless AI YouTube channel. So females, and then whichever one you think sounds perfect. Let's try it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the depths of inspiration and motivation.
See, some of these are actually quite robotic-like, but then some of them literally sound like people.
We have something truly remarkable in store for you. Get ready to dive into the wisdom of the ages as we present our top. Get ready to dive into the wisdom of the ages as we present our top. Get ready to dive into the wisdom of the ages as we present our top 5 quotes.
Okay, so top tip, when you're using this, go and put the user into chat mode, and then it makes it sound so much more realistic in the way they sort of pronounce their words, and they shorten words and stuff. But this is actually crazy. So if you want to try the software out, you want to support the channel, go click it, go just sign up for a free trial and support your boy. This is our first sponsorship on the channel. It's pretty crazy, unreal moment. I'll pop up a clip. What's going on, guys? Johnny Shapland here from Cornish Aesthetics, and today I'm going to talk to you about nothing, because I don't have a YouTube channel, and I'm never going to make one because I'm scared about putting myself on the internet and being judged by others. Bruh. Inspiring clip. Johnny, like 18 when I wanted to make a fitness YouTube channel, didn't make it, was too afraid of judgment and stuff, but we did it, boys. 2 years later, we got our first sponsored video. So
To succeed, you must believe. When you believe, you will succeed. That's all.
We created the image, we've got the voiceover script from DupDub, and now we go into DID.
Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the depths of inspiration and motivation.
Bosh. So that's it. That's our AI host. And then what we'll do in CapCut, I'll show you what I did to spruce it up a little bit. What I've done is I've done text, auto captions. I'm using the bold font.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the depths.
Like, that actually looks like a faceless AI YouTube channel. If you've got good enough content, should I make a faceless YouTube channel and use her as my host? I'm actually going to do it. I'm going to do it. Right, that's next YouTube video. So not the next video after this one, because I've already planned that one. The video after that, I'm going to make a faceless YouTube channel, and this is going to be my new host. Karen, the AI with Karen. I've already thought about it. That's it. That's launched. No one else steal this idea. AI with Karen is coming.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Spark, just to add a little bit of texture and engagement visual on the screen. And then we've literally just done a zoom in effect. So you go on animations. So we've literally just done a zoom out effect. And then that's literally it. Like, you've genuinely got a thing that you could use. So obviously you can't just use that for the whole video, it'd be boring. But the aspects of videos where I'm talking to you and then I'm showing you stuff, you could have Karen, the host, on screen, giving the introduction and chatting to you, and then you can use her as like the narrator. It's a visual thing that people can actually connect with. So, is that everything? That is absolutely everything. And at the end of it, you can have
Door for you. Get ready to dive into the wisdom of the ages as we present our top 5 quotes.
your own AI host, your own motivational moving faces of people that is literally going viral on Instagram theme pages, and an idea of bulk creating content by making a longer speech and then chopping it up into sections and doing it as a series on your theme pages or your YouTube shorts. That's a wrap of the video. Thank you very much for watching. This is an absolute value bomb. Do not go out there and steal my Karen host, okay? Because I'm going to be making my own faceless AI YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next week. Make sure to sign up to DupDub, support your boy. It's free for the first 3 days. Just sign up for a trial. Use the link in the description. I'll see you guys next week. Your boy's gone skis.